What's up, Nick?
Nothing. About to go skydiving.
About to go skydiving.
14,000 feet.
Yeah. And it's your first time?
First time, yeah.
Alright, so what's the reason for this?
No reason.
No reason, just wanted to do it.
Yes, sir.
And who you got here? Your cousin?
My cousin over there.
Cousin. What's up, cousin?
Stop!
Woo! Alright, so we're ready to do this?
Yes, sir.
Who's the most nervous out of you two?
Both of us.
Both of you. Alright, man, well, let's have some fun out there.
Alright, definitely, for sure.
Cool. You want to say anything to anyone back home before we head up there?
Deactivate my Facebook account. I don't want that to become a memorial page.
Alright, dude. Do some fun. Yo, what up, Nick? What's awesome? Oh my God! Woo! That feel good? That's amazing! Oh yeah! Look at it! Yeah! Whoa! Here we go! Yeah! I can't believe I just did that! awesome.
How's that?
Great. Thank you. Thank you.
Boom!
Woo!
We like
Yeah!
it. Right here, dude. What's your favorite part, man? Favorite part of the startup?
Everything!
Everything right there!
Everything was just amazing. Most unbelievable experience ever.
Hell yeah, dude. Awesome. You rocked it, Nick.